Find a comfortable position, either lying on your back with palms facing up or seated with back support. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and feeling your belly inflate gently. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you might hold. Repeat for a few cycles, focusing on the rise and fall of your breath. Imagine yourself surrounded by calming ocean waves. Feel the cool water lapping at your ankles and toes. As you sink deeper into relaxation, visualize a magnificent creature unlike any other, a meditation eel. This shimmering creature glides effortlessly through the crystal clear water. Its body is adorned with swirling patterns that resemble galaxies. As it approaches, its large, wise eyes seem to pierce right into your soul, emanating a sense of serenity. The meditation eel gently nudges your hand with its smooth snout, inviting you to follow. With a newfound sense of calmness, you gracefully sink deeper into the ocean alongside your newfound companion. The ocean floor transforms into a breathtaking vista of coral reefs teeming with vibrant colors and exotic fish. Schools of shimmering fish weave between swaying kelp forests, their movements mirroring the rhythm of your breath. The meditation eel leads you to a hidden underwater cave, glowing with an otherworldly luminescence. Inside, find a beautiful pearl nestled amongst the sand. This pearl represents your personal goal, a wish or intention you hold dear. Spend some time here, cradling the pearl in your hands. Feel its smooth surface and calming coolness. See yourself infusing the pearl with the positive energy you've cultivated during this meditation. Envision the meditation eel wrapping its luminous body around you, its gentle presence symbolizing the support of the universe in helping you achieve your goal. With a newfound sense of purpose and peace, slowly begin to make your way back to the surface. The meditation eel escorts you, its presence a constant source of encouragement. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin as you break through the water's surface. Take a few deep, cleansing breaths, bringing the calmness and focus you've cultivated back with you into your waking world. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently reconnecting with your physical body. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying the serenity of the ocean and the guidance of the meditation eel with you throughout your day. Meditation ends with gentle fading music,